And here comes number 13, Mr. All, coming from the three-point line right now. Oh shit, that nigga's all fucking in there.
He's sucking out his neck. He gon' meet that fucking. We gon' kick your toe. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You hit that.